Workshop service tools from Laser, designed to make awkward jobs easier and faster. Fitting Voss-type connectors to plastic air pipe has suddenly become much easier. These air pipe grips are specifically designed for this job. 5 sizes of plastic pipe can be accommodated, from 6 to 16 mm. The grip area holds the pipe securely and without damage, allowing the connector to be pushed in without kinking the pipe. For each pipe size, the correct amount of space is left to accommodate the stub of the connector, and also allow the expansion of the pipe over the stub. All that remains is to steadily force the connector into the pipe. And the result is a connector securely fitted. Locking vice grip pliers are always useful, but sometimes you just need a little bit extra persuasion, especially with rusty and corroded parts. This locking pin is gripped tightly, but it doesn't want to move. Our new locking pliers have a slide hammer built in, and what a difference this makes. Grip securely, and then a few steady taps and it's out. You will find this a tremendously useful tool in the workshop. Need to remove a CV boot, but you don't want to damage it? Just pick up the LaserTools CV boot clamp cutter. The angled head gives easy access, and a quick snip releases the clamp. When carrying out fabrication work, you need clamps that hold the job securely, but are also easy to use. These mini clamps are compact in size, quick to position, and hold the work firmly. The aluminium body is weld spatter resistant, and the solid brass screw jaw is operated by a quick release lever. Fitted in seconds, the over-center quick release lever clamps securely. The compact size makes these clamps useful when access is difficult. So easy to fit and so easy to release, you wonder how you did without them. Just a small selection of the huge range of workshop solutions from LaserTools.